Welcome to Erica's English. Let's learn more English today here in Australia.
Today we are describing a place using easy English. Today's place is Whitsunday Island in Queensland, Australia. This video uses language learned in the previous video. Watch my other video for more details. Turn on the subtitles for more understanding. Where is Whitsunday Island? It is located in northeast Australia in Queensland. There is one very long beach there called Whitehaven Beach. There are other islands around Whitsunday Island. It is a beautiful scenic island with a lot of natural beauty. It is stunning and has a lot of scenery. Look at all the scenery. It is good for yachting. And there are many wild birds there. There are also wild sea creatures like starfish sometimes on the beaches. It is a beautiful natural place. There are also crabs sometimes and lizards. This is some fungus growing on a tree. It is so colourful. Some beaches also have dead coral on them from the Great Barrier Reef. Please never take coral from the beach. It is part of the natural environment. Some sand also has beautiful shells in it. Whitsunday Island is good for sailing. There are many sailing boats there. I love sailing. There are also some unusual trees. I like the unusual rocks. There are many amazing rocks in Australia. There are many beautiful beaches at Whitsunday Island. It is good for beach and for rock walks. It is rocky there. It is a good place for relaxing because there is so much nature. It is a paradise because sometimes there is no one there and it is very relaxing. The beach is good for walking, morning yoga and enjoying the nature. I like Whitsunday Island because it is so beautiful, pristine and clean. I hope you enjoyed this video. Try watching it without sound or subtitles and describing it yourself. Also, you can study the language in this video using the Quizlet link in the description.